paano po yung nag-challenge natin?
Actually, di ko rin alam. Siguro sa tagal namin dito sa industriya, parang ngayon lang talaga kami nagkasama ni Paolo mag-work. And after yun nga, linlang, and then ito nasundan kami ng another project. So mas kilala na namin yung isa't isa, and nakaka-amaze naman din na marami yung sumusuporta sa amin dalawa, which is nagugulat talaga kami, and we're very thankful of course sa suporta online, and nakakagulat na sa edad namin na to meron pang nag-ship. Parang weird yung feeling, pero parang salamat po. And yun, sobra kaming natutuwa and na-happy. Tapos minsan nagbabasa kami sa Twitter, X, na parang, oyo, sabi nila, ganito ka daw, ganyan. Tapos nagtatawanan lang naman kami. And yun, very thankful.
Yan, ikaw na. Okay, mamaya na yung second part ng question, what do you admire about each other? Doon muna tayo sa reaction nyo na sinuportahan kayo at minahal yung tambalan ninyo, Paolo.
Yes. Actually, when I was new in ABS, I always wanted to work with Kim, but I wasn't given the opportunity until now, until the project we did last year, and I was very happy. And maybe because not just because parang we know that Kim's a star and she's so bubbly, and we also know that she's maturing as an actress. But also, after working with her, maybe one of the qualities that I would say is I like working with people who works fast and knows what they're doing. And si Kim, ganun. Kumbaga, mabilis siyang kumilos, alam niya na yung script, alam niya yung gagawin, wala nagiging problema.
Such a pro!
Salamat. Ano gusto mo din?
Balikan lang pala. At ngayon magbabalikan ulit kayo ng compliments. Because the next part of the question is, what do you admire about each other?
Si Paolo, syempre, sobra siya. Pogi siya. Kyopta. Very, alam niya yung ginagawa niya. Very, consistent sa trabaho. And then, parang, we share the same passion when it comes to work. Tsaka pares kami ng gusto. So, nakakagulat na parang boy counterpart ko na, eto, pinsan na natin, gawin natin maganda, o ganyan. So parang pares... Na-lowbat version ko. Oo, pero isa lang yung gusto namin, pero siya yung lowbat version, pero ako yung high energy version. So parang nakaka-amaze na may makakita ng boy version mo, which is siya. Sabi ng pero tinukso ko yung sarili ko, weird. Pero yun, nakakatuwa makatrabaho ang isang Paolo Avellino. And mas nakaka-amaze kasi tinanggap niya tong rom-com na genre. So mas napahanga ako as him as an actor dahil kaya niyang gawin lahat talaga in his best. At saka magugulat talaga kayo dito sa Secretary Kim kung ano yung mga binigay niya. Mas hahanga kayo sa kanya. Yes! Yun. Tapos yun, naka-amaze and good job. And I'm happy to work again with you sa project ko.
Oh, he took on the challenge, diba? Yes. Ikaw naman, Power.
It's the same thing that I've said earlier. Plus, si Kim, kasi what I noticed, especially when I first worked with her, she sets the tone of the energy of the set. So nakikita mo, pag malungkot si Kim, medyo, di naman malungkot lahat, pero alam mo malumana yung set. Pag high energy si Kim, yung tone, siya talaga nagsiset ng tone ng set. Lahat ng tao energized din. So parang ngayon na ako nakakita ng taong gano'n na kayang kayang iset yung energy level ng set.
Kahit siya, naging high energy na rin siya. Nadala mo. Ang hirap nun pero nagawa mo. iba naman talaga ang Kim Chiu. But, you know, I can also personally attest to that. When we did Dreammaker, nakita ko yun kahit past midnight na, yung energy level po ng Kim Chiu, iba naman po talaga. Kaya naman nahahawa yung lahat ng katrabaho niya. So, yes, we definitely believe what you just said, Paolo, kasi talagang kita rin namin yun sa lahat ng ginagawa niya. So, alright, thank you so much for answering.